Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can securely share your hosting or domain access to anyone in Hostinger. So if you are using Hostinger and you want to give access of your hosting panel or domain to your developer or designer, then how you can securely share access of your Hostinger dashboard. So you don't need to share your email address and password to log into your account. You can directly give access to your hosting to any other developer using their email address. So for this, what you need to do is just click on account sharing in the bottom left corner, and here you can click on give access. Click on give access here. Now you need to enter the email address of your designer or developer. Now you can select the service that you want to share access. So I will click on choose service. Now you can select the domain that you want to share, or you can select the hosting here, and here you can select the role to collaborator and click on give access. Now you need to enter your two-factor authentication code. Your developer need to accept the invitation. So let me do that. And here you will receive an email like this from Hostinger. Just click on that. Now let's click on accept invitation. Now let me click on websites. And here, as you can see, I have given access of my hosting to this account pretty easily. But there is one limitations with the lower plans, that you can't share individual website access. You need to provide access of your whole hosting account. So if you are using agency plan or higher, then you can give access. So if you click on here, you can see single website access is available on agency plan only. So if you are using agency plan, then you can provide access of a single website. But if you are using any lower plan, then you have to share access of your entire hosting account. But you can give limited access of your domains. So let me click on here. Let me go to domains. And here I have only access to key2blogging domain, and all these domains that I have on my main hosting account is not shared with my developer. So in this way, you can share your hosting account and you can share your domain access to your developer. And once everything is completed, then you can just go to your main account and just go to the account sharing options, and here you can just remove access of that website from your developer. So in this way, you can securely share your hosting or dashboard access to your developer, and once the work is completed, you can easily remove access from here, and you don't need to share your Google account password to your developer. So I hope this video helps, and if you found this type of content helpful, make sure to hit the like button. And if you want to renew your domain and you are looking for a coupon code, then I have already made a video on that too. So you can watch that video. The link will be given in the description. Thank you.